Have you been searching for simple, effective exercises to help you lose belly fat? But every video you click throws you into jumping jacks, burpees, and workouts so intense you want to quit before you even start? I get it. If you're a beginner, trying to lose belly fat can feel overwhelming, frustrating, and downright discouraging. You feel like you're stuck in a body that doesn't listen, like you're doing everything right, but nothing is changing. Well, you're not alone. And more importantly, you're not doing it wrong. You just haven't been shown the right path for where you are right now. So today, I'm going to show you how to lose belly fat with simple, beginner-friendly exercises that you can start doing today. No equipment, no pressure, and no fancy gym needed. And if you stay with me until the end, I'll share a powerful natural support that's helped thousands of people speed up belly fat loss, especially when traditional methods failed. But first, if you're ready to transform your body with real, honest guidance, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. We're building a community of people who are committed to change, no matter where they're starting from. All right, let's jump in. Why belly fat feels so hard to lose, especially for beginners. Before we get into the exercises, let's talk about why belly fat seems impossible to burn, even when you're trying your best. Belly fat is more than just extra weight. It's deeply connected to your hormones, your stress levels, your diet, and your metabolism. If you're sitting most of the day, eating processed or sugary foods, dealing with stress or lack of sleep, just starting your fitness journey, then your body is likely holding on to belly fat because it thinks it needs to. You see, when your cortisol, stress hormone, is high or your insulin is out of balance, your body stores fat, especially around your waist. So we need to do three things. Gently wake up your metabolism through movement. Improve your body's ability to burn fat naturally. Stay consistent without overwhelming yourself. Let's start with movement. Beginner-friendly exercises that melt belly fat. You don't need to kill yourself with intense workouts. You need simple, low-impact movements that engage your core, elevate your heart rate, and burn calories safely. Here's a simple standing workout routine you can do right now, even if you've never exercised before. March in place, 60 seconds. Keep your knees up. Swing your arms naturally. Great warm-up that starts burning fat immediately. Standing side crunch, 45 seconds per side. Stand tall, bring your elbow to your same side knee, squeeze your side abs, obliques. This begins shaping your waistline. Standing knee lifts, 60 seconds. Alternate knees to chest. Engage your lower abs with each lift. Breathe steady. This activates your core wall push-ups, 45 seconds. Stand arm's length from the wall. Lower your chest toward the wall, push back. Works your arms, chest, and strengthens core stability. Standing forward. Punches, 60 seconds. Slight squat position, then punch straight ahead. Burns calories, sculpts arms, tightens your belly. Repeat this circuit 2 to 3 times, 3-4 times a week. You'll be surprised how effective it is, without hurting your joints or exhausting you. The key? Stay consistent, and gradually increase intensity as your body gets stronger. How to boost results without working out harder. Now let's be real. Sometimes even with exercise and a cleaner diet, results come slowly. That's especially true if your body is stressed, your hormones are out of sync, or your metabolism has slowed down due to years of inactivity. This is where a natural support system can make a huge difference. That's why I recommend Key Slim Drops, a plant-based liquid fat-burning formula designed to help you burn stubborn belly fat, balance your metabolism, control cravings, and reduce bloating, and feel lighter, more energized, and more in control. It's especially powerful for beginners because it helps your body begin to respond again, even if nothing has worked for you in the past. And here's the best part. Key Slim Drops are easy to use. Just add a few drops to your water daily and let your body start doing the work from the inside out. I've included a link in the video description so you can check it out for yourself. If you're ready to see real change, don't wait. Click the link, read the reviews, and start your journey today. What else you need to know as a beginner? If you're just starting out, here are 3 game-changing truths you need to keep in mind. You don't need perfection, you need consistency. Missing a workout? Fine. Eating a cookie? Not the end of the world. What matters is showing up again tomorrow. Progress beats perfection. Walking is one of the best exercises to burn belly fat. Yes, walking. Start with 15 minutes a day. Add music or a podcast. Walking boosts metabolism, lowers stress, and reduces belly fat over time. Sleep is fat loss fuel. If you're sleeping less than 6 hours a night, your belly fat will resist every attempt to burn it. Sleep helps your body regulate fat-storing hormones, especially cortisol. Create a routine, turn off screens early, and aim for 7-8 hours nightly. Stack the deck in your favor. Losing belly fat as a beginner isn't about going hardcore. It's about stacking small, smart habits that add up to huge change over time. Start with simple exercises like the ones I shared. Support your body with clean foods and more water. Get better rest, and use tools like Key Slim Drops to give your body an extra push. You deserve to feel good in your clothes. You deserve to feel proud when you look in the mirror. You deserve results that finally last. Final words, plus your next steps. So if you're ready to lose belly fat the right way, not with crazy diets or impossible workouts, but with a plan made for you, here's what to do. Start the beginner workout from this video today. Try walking daily. Even 15-30 minutes makes a difference. Add Key Slim Drops to your water and let it support your metabolism. Eat clean when you can, but don't stress perfection. Stay consistent and celebrate small wins weekly. This journey is yours, and it's just beginning. And hey, if this video helped you feel seen, supported, and motivated, hit that subscribe button right now. We drop new videos weekly to guide, uplift, and empower you wherever you are on your fitness path. Comment below and tell me what your current belly fat struggle is. Let's talk, encourage, and grow together. And don't forget, click the link in the description to learn more about Key Slim Drops. It might just be the helping hand your body's been waiting for. Thanks for watching. Now let's do the work and lose that belly fat the smart way.